Hey guys, what is up? And before we get into this video, I would just like to give a quick shout out to Ubble Wobble. He is my friend. His name is Ayan, and yeah, make sure you go subscribe to him. So anyway, today I'm going to be solving these two Rubik's cubes, and tell me which one you like more, this one or this one. I think I preferably like this one has more of a smooth and buttery feel, while this one has more of a crispy feel. But they're both pretty smooth. Now I'm gonna start mix this up. Completely random, just not doing anything. Yeah. Okay, completely mixed up. So I'm gonna start off by solving the white cross. Pretty straightforward. Yeah. So white cross solved. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solve the first two layers. So I'm just gonna raise this up. It might look like I'm just doing random moves, but I'm actually not. See, now this is a pair, so I can insert it in the slot. And then look, both these two rows are solved. Let me move this a bit farther back. Okay, yeah, oh, and this pair is already solved, so I'm going to put that in there. I have that over there. Yeah. So there's another pair. And like that. And oh, here we go again with this thing where it always gets mixed up. Okay, the first two layers solved. Now I gotta get on to the last part. There. And there you go, it's solved. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I was just going through a step-by-step of how I would normally solve a cube. And thank you for watching. See you later.